Ko te kaupapa nei, ko Te Reo Kia Rewa. This is a Ngāti Kuia Te Reo based wānanga at our principal home of Te Hora. It has been running for 4 years and it's a kaupapa for all whānau. We focus on Te Reo o Ngāti Kuia, Ngāti Kuiatanga, our rākau, and introducing waiata and rākau as the main kaupapa for each wānanga.
My role here today is I am a tutor, taking some of the intermediate sort of advanced groups with trying to develop a little bit more of their reo on their journey.
I feel an urge to come here. It's kind of like, it's something that I feel inside that I've been meaning to do for years, and it's the best decision that I've ever done. But coming here to this weekend, I just want to get back onto the road of learning again and being able to kōrero. I've come here with my partner Teresa McKeever. She's from Ireland. It's good to be home. It's good to be home, and you feel it.
We have a lot of whānau that travel back home to Te Tauihu to be a part of this kaupapa, and every year it grows because our whānau then bring more whānau back with them.
I come from Wellington. I've came here to learn about Ngāti Kuia history. My favourite thing about this wānanga is hanging with my cousins.
When you grow up on the marae and being around that environment, you learn how the marae works. So having tamariki around running, it's a great opportunity for the future of the marae.
This is a whānau kaupapa where we can bring all of our tamariki, our kaumātua, and we're all going to learn in a safe environment.
I have come along to this wānanga to learn more about my whakapapa and to boost my te reo.
Just being here with our iwi, just getting to know everyone.
It's easy to soak in everything because it's whānau. Yeah, for me it's nice. I feel hesitant, then I get here and it's just easy. Yeah, it's familiar.
This year our focus has been Kupe, and so we've learnt a mōtetea written by Tom Alesana that we can now all take and use.
Ngāti Kuia have created an environment where whānau are the core of what they're doing.
For me, it is that tuakiritanga, so people have a sense of belonging and a sense of pride for being Ngāti Kuia.
Mihi everyone that puts us together to bring their people back home, to give this opportunity of learning our reo without a financial burden. I can't thank you enough. I love being Ngāti Kuia.